How to fix Facebook Marketplace is not available to you. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If Facebook Marketplace is not available to you, then in this video I will guide you on how you can fix this issue. The first thing you have to know before we begin is that if you have just created a new Facebook account, you won't be able to access the marketplace right away. Your Facebook account must be old enough in order to access the Facebook marketplace. So if you have a new account, you will have to wait for some time before the marketplace is made available to you. Next thing is that you should be in the location where Facebook Marketplace is available. So if you are in a region where the Facebook Marketplace is not available, then you will not be able to use Marketplace in that location. Next thing you need to know is that you should be 18 years old or older than that in order to use the Facebook Marketplace. If you meet all of these criteria and you're still not able to find the Facebook Marketplace option, then you first want to update your application to the latest version. For that, open the Play Store app and then search for Facebook. Now, if you find the update button here, simply tap on it and update the application to the latest version. Once you have updated the application and you still don't find Facebook Marketplace, tap on these three lines, then scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Now tap on Settings. Once you're on your settings, scroll down and get to the Preferences section. Now tap on Tab Bar. Tap on Customize the bar. Scroll down and see if Marketplace is hidden. If it is hidden, simply tap on this drop-down menu and tap on the Auto option. Now, Facebook Marketplace will be unhidden. You can head back, tap on these three lines, and as you can see, the marketplace is over here. You can simply tap on this and very easily access the marketplace. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.